NANZ group has a quality assurance function which is primarily responsible for the creation and governance of the quality system at site. The department is functioning independently with respect to production and is provided with competent staff of pharma and science graduates. Standardization in the system is ensured through standard operating procedures, standard specification and testing procedures. All the key elements of quality management system are regulated through SOPs which include change control procedure, deviation and market complaint handling, investigations, CAPA, etc. A centralized training system is provided at site which includes induction training, on-job trainings, external trainings, etc. The trainings are given by trained and qualified trainers. All trainings are regulated through approved annual training schedule which covers all the topics which are necessary to make the people competent and aware in their day-to-day routine activities as expected in the quality system. The trainees are evaluated on completion of trainings through questionnaires and cross-questioning. The individual is considered successfully completed the training course if he could score 80% marks in the written examination. All the scheduled trainings are tracked for the compliance through a tracker system to ensure 100% compliance.
The Quality Assurance Department is also responsible for the control sample management at site. The control samples were taken in sufficient quantity so as to ensure complete analysis of the product by QA during the sampling of product online. The control samples were stored in required storage conditions.
All the control samples were archived for period of expiry plus 1 year and annually verified for pre-specified parameters as defined in the respective SOP. The records are maintained to trace out archival issuance and destruction of control samples.
The NANZ group has a separate stability section which is equipped with required stability chambers. Stability studies are performed as per the ICH guidelines. Walk-in chambers and cabinets are available for different storage conditions such as long-term stability condition, accelerated condition, etc. One chamber is kept on standby to take care of any emergency situation. Separate chamber is provided to carry out stability study of diagnostic kits. All the activities such as sample keeping and withdrawal are properly documented. The analytical data are thoroughly reviewed and the stability summary reports are maintained for all products. The recording of temperature conditions are done as per the requirement of respective SOP and also their records maintained for future reference as evidences.